Bring back in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, let's get back to our conversation regarding this being a winnable case. I'm interested to get your take on that and where you see some of the holes in the prosecution's case.
Even a young public defender version of myself would have diced this case up 6 ways to Sunday. There's no direct evidence, none, that Lori Vallow instructed or encouraged Alex Cox to harm Brandon Boudreaux. No text messages, no phone calls, no video, no confession. It's just pure theory. The prosecution is asking the jury to assume that conspiracy just because Lori and Alex were close siblings. But that's not proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Alex Cox was a grown man who made his own decisions if he committed the shooting, and even that's still in question. He obviously did so without Lori Vallow's knowledge or direction. This is what I would do if I was defending her, right? The state would then be relying on associations and religious beliefs instead of hard evidence, planning, timing, communication. And that's just not how we convict people in a court of law, is what I would argue, right? She had no emotional connection. She had an emotional distance to this defendant. He was her nephew-in-law. She had no involvement with his messy divorce. So it's just so tenuous. So to get Lori Vallow, convicted beyond a reasonable doubt, if I were her defense attorney, it would be just a complete haul, right? So if I were defending it, that's the attack I would have. And again, that's a young public defender version of myself who'd have the energy to go in and do that. But I think that this is an imminently winnable case if she was, competently represented, but she's not. And that's all her fault.